Hey, beautiful souls, happy 2026, and welcome to the Intuitive Mindset with Jeannie Lynch. If you're here, I'm guessing you're ready for more clarity, maybe more courage, and maybe even a little cosmic guidance to help you get unstuck in 2026. Well, this channel is where spiritual seekers come to grow without the pressure or perfectionism, or even the need to meditate at the top of a mountain for 30 days while, standing in tree pose. In 2026, we're going to go even deeper with topics like mediumship development, how to tap into your own intuition, a deep dive into tarot and the connection to astrology. Let's not forget the chakra system and the importance of having a daily practice. And yes, my favorite, yoga. This year, I have an amazing lineup for you of spiritual leaders and even teachers who are here to share their stories and even their healing modalities. My intention in 2026 is to guide you back to yourself, to help you remember your own personal power and create a community where you just don't watch, you actually belong. So if you're ready to grow spiritually, if you're ready to heal that old stuff that keeps showing up like a political meme on your timeline, then let's look for the practical and soulful solution that can do this for you in 2026. And let's make this year the best year ever. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and join our community. And let's walk this beautiful spiritual path together. And why? Because together we can change the world one video at a time. Namaste.